Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to download and install Python 3.9.5 on Windows 10. First we need to open any browser, then type python.org, then hit the enter. Now we enter the Python website. Go to download option, then click on Python 3.9.5. Click on keep. Now Ctrl+J to see the download file. It takes some time to download this Python X file. Alright, download is completed. Then click on show in folder. Now click on this Python X file. In this page, first checkmark add Python 3.92 path. Now click on customize installation. Here check all the box selected or not. Then click on next button. After that select all the box. Here you can change the drive where you want to install this Python X file. If you don't want to change, just click on install button. Python installation startup. It takes some time to installation. Setup was completed, so close it. Now we will check where it installed. Now go to your My Computer, then click on C drive. After that click on program file. Here you can find Python 3.9. Click on this file. We can see that all the Python files are installed. So close it. Now we verify the installation and open the Windows search option. Type cmd. Now open command prompt. Here type Python version. Then hit the enter. We can see that Python 3.9.5 is available here. Again we gonna check. Type py version. See that Python 3.95 available here. With that we will also run a simple Python code. First type py, then hit enter. Now we want to print something. So type print. Thanks for watching. Yes, it worked properly. Now we will run this same program in IDLE. Already IDLE installed default. Go to Windows search option, then type IDLE. Open up. Now you can print anything from here also. Type print and then write something. Then press enter. You can see it run properly. You can also save this file. .py is the extension for Python. That's all this video. Keep learning. Have a nice day.